Hello, I'm Sharon Robson. I'm a consultant at SoftEd, and in this whiteboard session, I'm going to talk to you about the essence of agility. Agility is simple, not easy, but it breaks down into 3 core concepts. And as an organisation, if you can nail these, you've got agility nailed. The first one is visibility. As an organisation, information is the key element that we need to flow through our organisation. So with agility, we focus on making things visible. We look at making work visible. You would have seen examples of walls everywhere, post-it notes, index cards. We look at how we can make decisions visible. We can map out our decision velocity and our decision flows. We want information to be available to everyone. So we look at how we can create frameworks that allow us to share information as quickly as we possibly can. The second element of agility is transparency. We want to make sure that everyone can understand what's happening and why. Our decision frameworks need to promote information transfer, and we need to have the right information arriving in time for a decision to be made. When we make our decisions, we want to be transparent in how the decision is made. We need to have an environment of social justice, but we also need to be transparent into the results of the decision. So we need to have feedback loops so we can validate the approaches that we are taking are adding value. The third element of agility is teamwork. A team is not a group of people who happen to sit together. A team is a group of people who are focused on achieving the same outcome, and they're committed to working together to produce that outcome. So with agility, we're looking at teams, cross-functional teams, so we can leverage the skills within our organisations to maximise our value output. We focus on collaboration and building shared understanding, as well as building our collective knowledge. If you want to think about agility, think about these 3 key essential points: visibility, transparency, and teamwork.